My name is Reed Gendler, and I've recently retired from a career in fitness and music. I was also trained in college as a music and dance therapist, and I come to Vogel Alcove to do music and movement with the kids once a week. My husband and I first became aware of Vogel Alcove when we started going to the yearly fundraising concerts at the Meyerson. And I watched the video at those concerts, and I had no idea that we had homeless children in Dallas. I knew we had homeless people, but I just never really thought that there could be homeless children. When I first approached Vogel Alcove, I was just coming out of the blue, and I said I'd really like to volunteer and I'd like to do something with music and movement with the kids. And honestly, I've never worked with this age group before. And they said, "Oh, well, okay." And it was amazing that they just went with me. They gave me a chance. And it has evolved into another program that we're going to do this summer. My husband and I are going to have a ballroom dancing program in June and July to work with some of the 10, 11, 12-year-olds. And our grand finale is going to be a competition dancing with the kids. And our ballroom coaches who are from Eastern Europe will also be involved. And we're really looking forward to that. The reason I volunteer is it gets me out of myself. If I spend the whole day thinking about what I'm feeling, what I'm thinking about, it's not going to be a really great day. So I have learned that volunteering, even though it takes effort and it takes patience, is hugely rewarding. It feels really good to be able to give back, also to walk into a room and see their faces light up when they see me coming. And Vogel Alcove is an incredible place. Their mission is just phenomenal. And they are one of the very few places in the country that offers anything for homeless kids in the way of a day program, meals, learning life skills, and the teachers are absolutely amazing. One thing that's really impacted me is feeling and realizing how much these kids crave warmth and attention. And to have an unknown 2-year-old just come up and crawl into my lap is better than a basket full of puppies. So I would recommend that think about what you are passionate about, what you would really like to do, what you would like to try, and then think of it in terms of involving kids. And Vogel Alcove will be open to your ideas, and you will feel amazing.